Guys, money is a tool. It's not a purpose. Somebody on one of my videos recently made a comment, and in that comment they said, well, I sleep money and I eat money, and that's all I think about is making money. And I want to do this video for that person and for any of you out here that need to understand or want to understand a better perspective on money. How to look at money in a way that doesn't have you chasing after it so much. See, when we get in this game of money, or this game of making more money, investing money, or saving money, building wealth, however you want to put it, when we get in this game, we can sometimes lose sight of the real purpose of money. And we can easily forget that money is a tool, right? For me, the real reason I'm building wealth and trying to build wealth is not just for me to sit back and chill and relax and have this and have that. The real reason is so I can help more people. The more money I have, the more money I make, the more money I bring in, the more people I can help. That's my bigger mission. For some people, the real purpose of having more money may be because you want to buy your time back. You want to have the time for yourself. That's cool too, right? Some people just want to have choices. The deal is this. The mission for making money, building wealth, it shouldn't be just to have more money. Money is a tool. Money should not be the end purpose. Whatever your mission is, it can't just be money. And I run into a lot of people who send me these messages like the comment I got that think their purpose is simply to have more money. That's their purpose. That's what they're all about, right? Getting more money. Money. Stop chasing the money. Money is a tool. It's not a purpose. And you don't want to let money become your purpose. Because when you let money become the purpose, the end goal, the end result is all about money, you're going to sacrifice anything to get it. You're going to sacrifice your morals and values to get it. You're going to do something unscrupulous or something illegal to get it because money is your purpose. And I'm saying you got to have a bigger purpose than just money. Money is not the end goal. Money can help you achieve the end goal, but it's just a tool. You know, money is meant to serve you, not the other way around. You're not here and meant to serve money. And too many of us, we worship money and we serve under money. We work for it. We do anything to get it. We lie, we cheat, we steal, whatever it takes to get more money. And that's when money has become your purpose. And you've lost sight of the fact that money is just one tool in your toolbox. When you do anything for money, you get out of character. When you do anything for money, you lose your values. When you do anything for money, you don't have integrity, right? Because money has become your purpose. You want money to serve you, and you want to use money to help you achieve an end goal, a mission that is not money, but you use money to help you reach that end goal or whatever you're trying to achieve in life. But the mission can't be money. The purpose can't be money. And a lot of people, they start making money their purpose and they lose sight of what truly matters, right? That's the relationships, the values, the character, and your mental well-being and your physical health and other important things that are bigger than money. Look, all of us are going to die one day. All of us, everybody watching this is going to pass away. When you pass away, people are rarely going to talk about the money you have, right? How much money did he have? How much money was in his account? How much money? People are typically going to remember you not based on your money, but they're going to remember you based on the other things that are more important than money. The other things that are the real purpose of utilizing that tool called money, right? How many people did you help? How many people did you impact? How many lives did you change? How many people did you reach? How many people did you actually affect with your presence on the planet, right? Money should not be your purpose or your end goal or your mission. All those things got to be bigger than money, bigger than that one tool. Look, think about it. You got a toolbox of stuff to use to help you to get to your end goal, your end mission, your real purpose in life, right? You got a toolbox of stuff. Money is one tool in the toolbox. Look, just like a hammer in the toolbox. You can't change a sink with a hammer. You can't screw in screws with a hammer, right? You can't mow the lawn with a hammer. There are things that a hammer can help you with. But there's a lot of things that a hammer can't help you with. Similarly, there's a lot of things in life that money as a tool in the toolbox can help you with. But there's a whole lot of things in life that money can't help you with. So it's a tool in the toolbox, and it's not even the most important tool. in the big scheme of things. And I know if you're watching this and you don't have money, you may be thinking differently. But listen, it's really important you get this in your spirit. The fact that relationships are a tool in the toolbox. Time is a tool in the toolbox. Education is a tool in the toolbox. Skills is a tool. Discipline is a tool. Consistency and focus are tools, right? Optimism, hard work, organization, your budget, right? Being able to track your expenses, looking at assets. These are all tools in the toolbox along with money. Money's in that toolbox too, but it's not even the most important tool. Sometimes when you start your wealth journey, just like me, a lot of you are just like me, didn't start with much. When you start that wealth journey in your toolbox that you start with at age 18, 20, 25, whatever, in that toolbox, a lot of times there is no money. And you got to start with other stuff, the hope, the belief, the discipline, the hard work, the education. You got to start with other things in that toolbox. And along the way, somewhere along the way, money is added to the toolbox. But there's other tools in that toolbox that are working until you can get to add money to that toolbox. So money is not the most important thing in your toolbox, right? It's not the purpose. It's not why you do what you do. It's not the end all be all. And let's put money up on some big pedestal and let's worship it and do anything to get it and say anything and do anything and throw anybody under the bus and just lose all of our morals and values and character to get this thing called money. That's what a lot of people do. When you begin to really build your wealth, you have to understand that money goes in its proper perspective. Money goes in its place. It has a place and it's important. I'm not saying money is not important. I'm just saying get a purpose bigger than money. Money is a tool, not a purpose. The problem that I see with a lot of people that make those type of comments like the person made on my video where they talked about how much they think about money and sleep money and dream about money and it's all they think about money, money, money. The problem with people like that, and there's a lot of people like that, is they think the hammer is going to do all the work and is the most important tool in the toolbox. They think that with that hammer, I'm going to be able to change that sink out. And with that hammer, if I could just get more of this hammer, I'm going to be able to unscrew those screws. It doesn't work like that. The hammer can only do what the hammer can do. Money can only do what money can do. You cannot use the hammer to screw in screws. You cannot use money to do a lot of things that money can't do. In other words, money's not going to solve all your problems. It's going to give you some help. Right? It's going to add to some freedom, maybe some choices, maybe get you to buy a few things that you can't normally buy without the money, right? It's going to help you pay your bills, all that good stuff, right? But it can't do everything. Money's going to help you with money problems. But look, honestly, a lot of your problems, they look like money problems, but they're not really money problems. They're just masquerading as money problems. But when I say money is a tool, not a purpose, it just means money should be viewed as a means to an end, not the end. Just like a hammer is going to help you if you want to go build a house with a hammer, it's going to help. Money's going to help you achieve your goals and your financial goals and take care of some financial things. But money is a resource. It's not your identity. It's there to serve you, not to be served by you or to define who you are. Money is a facilitator to help you reach the finish line. Money is not the finish line. You got to have a deeper purpose, a deeper meaning, because accumulating a whole bunch of wealth is not going to fulfill you. It's not the greatest fulfillment in the world to have $1 million set aside. Feels good. It can feel good because you can do some things that you've never been able to do, but there's more to life than money. Because ultimately, it's about shifting from a mindset of, and how much money can I accumulate, to how can I use money, the money I have and the money I may get, how can I use it to live a valuable life, to provide value to other people in the world, to have a mission that's way bigger than money and reach as many people in the world. Listen, as you get into this wealth building game, this investing, this making money, doubling money, compounding money, and you have more and more money, don't make the mistake of making money your purpose. Got to get a purpose that's bigger than money and use money along with all the other tools in your toolbox as a tool to help you achieve a bigger purpose. Hey, if you got any value from this video, from these words, do me a favor and share this information with somebody else. That way, when you hear good information, pass it along. Pass a good word on to other people. Don't forget to smash the like button below and also drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Hey, the best person who's going to take care of the old you is the young you. Guys, take good care of yourself and take care of other people. Until the next video, peace.